Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I dry and stretch my wash and goes. I'm gonna just show y'all how real my shrinkage is. Alright, I'm gonna pull this one. My shrinkage always be playing me. Like it always be playing me. And then my bangs. Bruh. It ain't even really a bang. When I dry my hair for a wash and go, I always use my blow dryer with my diffuser attached to it. I bought this blow dryer in 2013. This blow dryer old, but it still works perfectly fine. And then I bought this diffuser. It's a universal diffuser, so it attaches to pretty much any blow dryer. I purchased this at Sally's Beauty Supply. I've had this for a few years too. And so you basically just push it on there. So using a diffuser is good because it disperses the heat in a larger area rather than a more concentrated area. So if it's dispersing the heat in a larger area, it's minimizing frizz and keeping heat from just blowing on just one part of your hair, because that's gonna create all the frizz and dryness. That's why you should use a diffuser if you want to minimize frizz, not air dry, get bouncy, flowy curls, all of that. I'm impatient when it comes to drying my hair, so I'm gonna use the hottest setting. And you don't have to use the hottest setting, but just know that the cooler it is, the longer it's gonna take, so to each its own. And then I do it on the highest setting. So the hottest and the highest. Alright, so my hair is fully dry. I think, hold on. Yeah, I think I'm tripping. So it's dry, now it's time to stretch it. So to stretch my hair, I use my concentrator that came with my blow dryer. And you just kind of snap it on there. So first I'm gonna section my hair off and then start stretching it. So I section my hair off. I'm gonna start off with this back part. What you're gonna do is get a section of your hair. You're gonna apply tension to it. Just pull it out, and then take the blow dryer, and we're just gonna start from our roots and go down. Now you don't want to mess with this part because you want some definition. Because if you straighten this part out, just don't do that. Also, if you want to give your hair like some good shape or whatever, my hair is already kind of cut in a shape. But if you want to give yourself some good shape, sometimes you might want to, stretch this more than the tops. You can have like a little heart shape going on, or you want some bangs, and so you don't stretch this part out so it can be a little shorter than it. You can use this to, do your thing, girl. Do your thing. these are my results. Pretty stretched. I know over time it's gonna stretch even more. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.